We often use reservations and appointments in more formal situations. But when you have made an arrangement to do something with somebody more informally, like with your friends or your family, we often say make or have plans. So we can say, I made plans with my family this weekend. Or like in my first example, that common question, do you have plans this weekend? Remember that we should say plans, plural. If we say have a plan, singular, that changes the meaning. To have a plan means that you have some kind of idea to solve something. So if I say I have plans, it means that I am busy. But if I say I have a plan, it means I have an idea. Now let's look at promise. When Koreans make plans with friends, they might mistakenly use have a promise instead of have plans, probably due to the Korean language. But making plans is very different from making a promise. A promise is a commitment to someone to do something, like a vow or a pledge. So we could say, I promise to study more. That means that I am making a commitment to study more often. Or I could say, I made a promise to her, which means I made a commitment to her to do something. So if I ask, are you busy later? It would be unnatural to say, I have a promise to meet friends later. Instead, it would be better to say, I have plans with my friend later. Let's look at my first example. A sounds unnatural because we do not make appointments with our friends. We make appointments with professionals like doctors. If you say you make an appointment with your friend, it sounds strange and cold. D is also incorrect. When we make plans with somebody, we do not say, I have a promise. They mean different things. So in this situation, B and C are both correct. Meeting a friend is an informal situation, so we can simply say what we will be doing on the weekend, or we can use have or make plans. I hope that these videos helped you understand a little bit more about when we should use reservation, appointment, plans, and promises. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below. Until next time, bye!